then we're gonna go into this park right here, and I think I'm just gonna go, let's catch the name, Ecological Park, Hengqin Ecological Park. So it looks like we're gonna go across it. Could be its own. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. There's some people using the park. So many different directions to go, but I want to walk directly down the middle of it. Oh, that's really spongy. Like a spongy, nice texture to it. So I just want to walk directly towards those buildings and then see what's all down there. Interesting. The hardest part, 100 meters, the hardest part of walking out the front door. It's all in English too. Kind of cool. So now you can see, yeah, I did walk over that bridge. It's called Zhuhai, Z-I-Q-I. I think I'm going to try to link that to this one, because I did walk over that and I saw this beautiful park all the way around over there. And so we're going to basically walk through it and try to get to the other side. But it looks like you have like bike path stuff, or there's a running stuff. That's really spongy. I think it might be for runners. It feels great on your feet. Let's see how this all goes. So it looks like they got a playground, basketball, so a place for kids to hang out. And then we're still just kind of meandering at this point, and there's not a clear way to get from the buildings that we were at over to those buildings. But I think it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to try to go this way and just kind of see what they got here. Looks like they have quite a few different things. The boy is he's autistic, and I think he really wants to play on the playground, but he's so big now and the kids are so little, so I'm gonna try to just take him over here, because I think we're getting enough exercise anyways, right? And we'll see what's over there. So we were kind of over there walking by that playground, and then now I see this giant river, and I think I remember walking, and now I can see it. There's a beach right there, a small little beach. So a beach where people could potentially hang out, I guess. I don't know if that's fully realized yet, but that is like a giant play area. Sorry, I'm a little bit distracted. Anyways, you can see it over there. I should go to that side, but I want to walk into those buildings. Yeah, the other thing I remember too is when I was walking across that, see, I think that's the beach part, and I kind of want to explore all that. But then I remember seeing a bunch of Portuguese looking buildings somewhere too, so I think that might be over on that side. But Hengqin is big. I should be taking it by bike instead of walking. All right. Little forest right in here. For some reason I have a feeling there's probably a lot of snakes in here, because University of Macau was like that originally, you know, because they took over the ecosystem of the snakes and such. Yeah, it looks pretty swampy in there. Looks nice and manicured right over here, but you can just see right over the side there. Man, I bet there's snakes in here for sure. So let's stomp on the ground a little bit, because if there are snakes, they'll feel the vibration. So I'm just gonna, and we're kind of walking on that. Okay, so I just want to get over here and just kind of see what we can see. Boy, I just threw a rock in there, kind of threw me off. But yeah, it looks really swampy, snaky, snake filled. Anyways, we're gonna continue on, but that is pretty damn cool. He's in his natural habitat. He loves throwing stuff in the water, so all right. Anyways, continue on. Yeah, kind of interesting. It's interesting, all that swamp, and then they got, I don't know if they're gonna also do some construction with that too. There's like cranes and bulldozers there. It looks like we're gonna connect over to this side in a moment, and then you can see a lot of stuff over there, including like a stadium looking thing over there. Some nice buildings. Another one of these canals that kind of separates that little ecosystem you call that swampy thing? Swamp area? Swampland? And then we walk around this construction, and then it looks like we run out of sidewalk over here, and they're doing some more construction, so looks like we have to get over on the other side, which is probably a good thing to do anyways. Yeah, it's a good idea to get over here. I should be filming and seeing what's over here anyways. Little bridges, lots of bridges. Looks like it might be man-made a little bit, or a river. I think I remember hearing about that, that there was river walk kind of thing. Anyways, I'm gonna keep on walking down. Ah, check this out. They're spraying. I don't know if they're spraying for mosquitoes or dengue fever, which is possible. I don't know if that is refreshing or not refreshing. They're watering the... I just have no idea. Do I want to get in that and get a little bit of refreshment? Or is that pure poison? Feels like water. It smells like water. Feels refreshing. Oh, I can smell that smell. It's like smells like rain. Oh, that feels so good. That's what we're walking by right now. Is that all that gonna be? That's all that new stuff. And I guess we're on Hao-Jiang Road, and we're gonna just try to see if we can get into that stuff. Kind of wanted to see how far down we can get. What I really want to do is I want to walk. I think we're only halfway. I've been walking for about an hour or more, but I want to go all the way down to the other side of Hengqin and then come back the other way, which could take 5 hours. I don't know, 6 hours. Should have been better with a bike, but it is what it is. I was thinking about it. Okay, I just crossed that road, and that's all those apartments that we walked through. That's way down there is Macau Taipa. Over here we're gonna walk over that way. I was gonna go towards those buildings, but I think that there's not anything going on there except those buildings. I think we would just walk through it. It looks like beyond that they're still being constructed, and then it looks like we have stuff over here to kind of explore. So I think I'm gonna make an executive decision not to walk across Hengqin and or just walk over this way. It looks like we basically have a big park that goes all the way through Hengqin, and that's going to be kind of one of the dominating features of Hengqin. It's kind of open for some like dense downtown area that's kind of interesting. Something you'd see in Taipa or on the Macau side, because that's what I really like the most. But it feels more like a suburb, very planned. But I know a lot of people would absolutely love this as well. It does look nice. So we're just gonna walk down that way. I think what we're gonna do is just walk down this way, and then I think we're gonna go down that way. So let's just check it all out. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really, really nice. Beautiful area. Yeah. I think the key here is to kind of get a nice feel for this area, and I feel like that is going to be a centerpiece, and a lot of people are going to be probably coming from these apartments and then enjoying this giant park. So to have a very recreational thing that Macau and Taipa is lacking, and I think that will be one of the draws. And I don't think things are developed there. I think I would need a car or a bike to adequately get down there. Looks like the park is kind of the focus, and then and I kind of want to see what these other things look like. That looks like a university campus, possibly in the brick building. And then we got, so I think I'm just gonna kind of meander down that way and see how this all connects, and then I think we'll have a good idea of Hengqin Avenue. That's probably what I want, because that goes right through the middle. So let's get over there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.